Hello and welcome to this spectacular 5-bedroom independent villa in Jumeirah Park on the market for rent. Entering the door on your right hand side, you have your downstairs guest bedroom with your wardrobe and your ensuite bathroom. Also on the left hand side, you have your downstairs bathroom and also a fully equipped, fully upgraded kitchen. On the back end side, you have access to the maid's room, laundry and garage. Top quality appliances in the kitchen. You also have a beautiful open plan living and dining room, and also have the extension for the informal living area. The property is fully renovated and fully upgraded from floor to ceiling. Situated on a plot of over 9,300 square feet and a built-up area of 4,800 square feet. So heading upstairs, you will find 4 bedrooms upstairs. The first bedroom, very spacious bedroom, built-in wardrobe as well, and also your ensuite bathroom. All bathrooms are also fully renovated and fully upgraded. Second upstairs bedroom. Built-in wardrobe, and again your ensuite bathroom. On the right hand side, the third upstairs bedroom. This is the only bedroom without an ensuite bathroom, but still a very decent space with a large balcony overlooking the swimming pool. Now heading into the master's bedroom, you have a walk-in wardrobe with a beautiful, large, fully upgraded bathroom. And also a very generous sized bedroom with more wardrobe on the back. Also have a balcony. And more wardrobe. Very beautiful villa, fully upgraded, fully usable for a large family. Now we will head towards the outside, which you will see you have a beautiful large garden, fully landscaped, children's play area, and your swimming pool. The location of the property is also single row, which is very high in demand. Please contact for any more information.